Hi students. We received California Dreaming today, this Saturday, and we did go over a little bit, but I want to focus on the intro, the tablature, and a reminder that the numbers represent the frets. And unfortunately, there's no quarter notes, eighth notes, dotted quarters to denote rhythm. That you just have to know the tune or the rhythm of the melody. Now, this song in its entirety is it's pretty the chords are not too difficult, but there's one chord, the E sus4, which is a single finger on the second fret of the G string, and that resolves to an E7. And that's the whole song. When you hear that, you think, ah, California Dreaming. But the tablature is what I want to look at right now. And if you notice, you have two double stop notes on the second fret. And then it's open B, and then back to the second fret. So I would do this, and let me show you close up. As I suggested, I would double stop these two notes with the second and third fingers. I would hold them down, and then I would carefully place my pick on the D string, and I would play this. Because it was 2, 2, and then it was an open B. But if you keep your fingers planted, and practice that like 50 times. Now, let's see what the next measure does. I believe that's just the first measure. No. The rest of the measure is... So after going back down to the D, after this, you have to move your fingers to 3, 1, open. Let me show that close up. So you're double stopping the second frets of the G and the D string. So this is what you need to practice smooth until it's smooth and fluid. Then the next measure is shown to be the 12-string guitar, and it takes off right after this. So these are concurrent measures. This is first measure, second measure, first measure, second measure, and then the 12-string plays on the E string, and then 3 on the B string, and then continuing. So it's make sure your second finger is on the G string and the A string. So let's look at the 12-string part again, and I'm talking about this section and this section. So you've played now the 12-string. You have to have that chord. Now, it's deceptive the way the tablatures don't give you any melody, any time, rhythm. But if you know the song, rest, and you know that pause, there's a big pause. So the second measure, it's like 1, 2, 3. Rest. Let me do the whole thing. 1, 2, 1, 2 starts here. Again. And then the song, and we'll just do a little bit because I don't want this to be too long of a okay. Let me get the too long of a video. Yes, and A minor 7th G is an A minor if you can after all the leaves are. So you're moving the ring finger. Let me show that. So it's all the leaves are brown. You're moving this finger there. And then an F. So let me do it again, and let me get it back into focus. Yeah, it's 3 pages actually, but once you get, oh boy. So let me just do that part, the bottom of page 1. All the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Okay, have fun.